Welcome back to our series on how guns work. Today, we'll explore the primary distinctions between common firearm types. Handguns, designed for one-handed use, are compact and include semi-automatic pistols and revolvers with revolving cylinders. Rifles are long guns fired from the shoulder, characterized by rifling inside the barrel that enhances accuracy and range. Shotguns are shoulder-fired long guns that typically discharge shells containing multiple small projectiles, known as shot. Understanding these differences is key to appreciating the diverse engineering behind each firearm type.